everyone. In today's class, we'll do one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2010 in bank PO examination. In this question, we have to find the cost of flooring the circular plot. Let us see the question. See, cost of fencing a circular plot at the rate of rupees 15 per meter is rupees 3,300. See, what is a fencing? Fencing is just they are keeping some rods like that. They are keeping the nets around the length of the boundary to get rid of the cattle and all. So this is only length of the boundary. This full length. They are keeping some. They are fencing. See what is given in the problem. Cost of fencing around this full circular plot. Cost of fencing is rupees 3,300 fully. What is the rate they are given? Rupees 15 per meter. So first of all we have to find out the length of the boundary. That is the circumference of the circle if you find. Then we can get radius. Using that radius we can find the area of the circular plot. Okay. So when you divide this total cost, circumference is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter. So what is the total cost? 3,300. What is the cost per meter? 15. That is 2 times 2 15s are again 2 times 220 meters. That is the circumference of the circle. So 2 pi r. R is the radius. So 2 pi r is equal to 220 meters. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 220. What is r? 220 into 1 over 2 into 7 over 22. 44 is going here 5 times. So r is equal to 35 meters. We have to find out the area of the circular plot. Because what is there in the question? What will be the cost of flooring the plot? See, this full area, they want to, the cost of flooring, they want to put some other, they want to change tiles like that. The cost of flooring is at the rate of rupees 100 per square meters. So we have to find out the area of the circular plot and multiply it by 100. Then we will get the cost of flooring. Okay, this is the circumference. This. Okay, now let us find the area of the plot. Area of the circular plot is equal to pi r square. Square units. So pi 22 by 7 into r, repeating 2 times, r square, no, 5 times. So 110 into 35. So 0, 35 ones are 35, 3, 380. So area is this much meter square. That is area. Cost of flooring per meter square is equal to rupees 100. So cost of flooring, the plot is equal to 3,850 into 100. That is 3,85,000. So which is the correct option? Correct option is C option. Thank you.